It's time for laughs, it's time for fun, it's time to learn for everyone at Nana's Cooking Craft Corner.
Hello and welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. And on this video, I'm going to show you how I took a recycled bag from Torrid, beautiful bag, and made it into two lovely cards. So let's get started. Alright, the second one is going to be done like this, a little differently. I'm going to go the opposite way. And I'm going to, actually, I'll do the opposite. I'm going to do this one first. So I'm going to go like this, like this. I want it this way. So I'm going to slide it around until I get as even as I can get it. And move over a bit. Yeah, that's pretty good. There. There. Now, I'm going to do the same process I did on the other card. There's the first one. So I want to see how I like it, but I think I'm going to put, in this case, put the leaf like this first. I'm just going to add a little bit of glue in part of it. So you can see this. Just in the center parts. Maybe here too, because I don't want that to come off. Like this. Just lie it close, but not exactly right on. Give it that 3D effect. I only want the center to stick down. There. Okay. The same with this. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue here, just around the center part. And see, it's amazing what you can do. This had a hole, but it's going to be covered up, and it's going to look pretty cool by the time I'm done. That there. Put a couple dimensionals on this one, more foam dots, like I said. Pump that up a bit. Right now, I'll just move over a bit. You want to see? You don't even see that hole is. Just slide it a little bit over. Right? And then, I'm thinking of giving this a 3D thing. So I'm going to take a little foam dot, or like I said, dimensional, what they call it, Stampin' Up. Put it on here. I kind of use probably too much, but I like using enough so that when you get the card out, it's not going to fall apart, all this stuff. So I probably overdo it a bit, but it's okay. Oops, it's down there. There we go. Put it here. A little bit higher. All right, I'm going to fluff it up a bit. Yeah, and sparkles, and put the sled back on so it doesn't dry. I'm going to use the same fine tip pen, and I'm going to go just a couple dots where I feel like I want to. Right. Take a little bit of translucent. Oh, that looks really pretty. Matter of fact, it's going all over. That's okay. I don't mind that at all. Really pretty. Move that out of the way. Now, I thought on the inside, and then I got one touch more to do both cards, but okay. So I can put this down just a bit. I want to. I thought I could add, this would be kind of nice to put in there. I cut out some leaves, put this all along. Right. want to go like this, make it a little coming off the page. That I'm going to plan on kind of trimming it a bit like this. And I got this little one out here. Like that. Oh, it's coming off the page. That's what I want. Too close to the top. Just see how good that glue is. You can slide it. It's really nice. All right. Right here. I'll take my fine tip scissors. So. All right. Right here. Again, I had that little thing to show you. I'm not going to use the cards up, but I had this. So, I mean, you can put something down like this, or something smaller here. And of course, you can stamp in the inside, but I'm not going to use these cards today. I don't know what I'm using them for. So, stamp in the sides. All right, and my favorite part is, I like to add a lot when I'm doing cards of Winkostella. And anybody that knows a crafter knows this stuff, how good it is. So I'm going to put some Winkostella all in the flower part of it. I hope you enjoyed this video, how you can take from a recycle bag, a beautiful recycle bag I should say, and make two lovely cards out of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.